So we're gonna start doing the sectioning for the triangle 9 section. So we started all the way from the section of the eyebrow to the eyebrow. And it has to go the triangle. That's the most important section. That's the first section actually. Okay, so we're gonna do another haircut with the 9 section triangle with the shark Tai Chi. We already did it with the X Tai Chi, now I'm gonna do it with the shark Tai Chi. Okay, finally we're done with Elizabeth with the nice haircut. You take it and you shake it. You see all the nice layer? See from short to long, and when you push it back, you see it's from long to short. It's gorgeous. We're gonna start with the blow dryer, and Elizabeth, she will be come back and you will see the final.